Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another episode of Tips from Tiffany. Today we're going to talk about the cruising app. Every cruise line has that app that you can download to your phone. You can set the app up so that you can do your countdown to your next cruise and your next fun vacation. I love to sit and watch the countdowns every day and the minutes and the seconds. Another great thing about these apps is you can view all of the menus, all of the activities. We like going through the menu apps, seeing what they're going to be serving in the dining room that night to make our decision for what we're going to eat or where we're going to eat. Sometimes there's just stuff that we know we're not going to like in the dining room, so that's when we decide to either go to the buffet or a different restaurant. You can also look at all the activities that are available on the cruise ship for the day. You can plan in advance. You can see them days in advance. Some of the activities do require reservations, so when that happens, you are able to book your reservation right there in the app. Another great thing about this app is a lot of them do have the chat feature. Now that is an extra cost. It generally costs about $5 for each person that uses that chat feature, but it is a great option to have if you have multiple people in your group or even have kids that are off doing their own adventures. That way you can keep track of them. We used it when we had the kids on the cruises with us. We don't really use it that much when it's just Chris and I, but we did use it with the kids and it was great. So when my son was off running around, I could chat in, find out where he was, what time to expect him, let him know what our plans were. So that's just a great feature. Like I said, just make sure that you download the app. You don't necessarily have to do it ahead of time. I delete mine. I have so much stuff on my phone that I do delete mine and just add them the day that we're getting on the cruise ship. But Chris keeps his on his phone, watches that countdown. I used to keep mine on the phone and watch that countdown. I love watching that countdown. Anyway, I do hope you have enjoyed this tip with the app. If you have, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any tips that we haven't covered or that you'd like to hear about, please list those in the comments and we'll see what we can do. Have yourself a great weekend, and as always, we will see you out on the high seas.